so this is all the stuff we need to put on there. We have stickers that we'll show you more about later. Because, have you ever seen an old Ford Ranger that is not covered in cringy stickers? No. The answer is no. So
I see one right there.
That's why we're fixing that. Alright, I also bought myself a light bar here. Yeah. We have the nice, I think this is a 28-inch light bar. This will be on front, most likely. Sit up here in the bumper. I think we're gonna put it right. I think we'll end up putting it right there. It'll look pretty nice up there. If not, we'll end up figuring out a way to mount it on the roof up there. But I think on the bumper there will work best.
There's a stove over there going insane.
Because this thing's light is trash.
Are you gonna put the pods right here?
I'm thinking so we have the two fog lights right here. It's got wrapping paper on it. Good gum.
So, we're gonna just do a little bit of wiring real quick. This is actually not that complicated. We're gonna hook up the battery terminals to the spaghetti noodle and probably screw in the relay right there or somewhere. And then we're gonna mount the light bar right there. And then we're gonna put a switch right there, meow. So. So, I is getting all these mounts for the big light bar bolted up so we can find come over here and
No, I bet you it's
mark the bumper
yeah, I bet you it's
so that we can drill holes, get it mounted. So we got this guy mounted. We're gonna end up putting these pods right here, angled out a little bit for fog lights. So that way we don't have to mess with a whole new wiring harness to put it on the top of the roof or somewhere. What do you do? Okay, Tugger's drilling for the switch. Yeah, that should be fine, just chill right there.
Tucker, you're 16 or 17, right? 17? You're 16, right?
Yeah.
So we had a little bit of confusing time and we were trying to fix a bunch of broken stuff and we were like, what the heck is going on? Hold those. What the heck is going on here? And nothing would work. The switch wouldn't turn on, the light bar wouldn't work. And then we found out that the Chinese like to have stuff upside down. So we had the switch upside down.
And we also had the wires sitting on the ground in all this water. And we think either they were touching or they were connecting through the water and all the sediment that's in it and basically just frying our fuse every single time.
Yeah, we burned our 2 fuses already.
Yeah. But they were cheap.
Guys, watch this. Oh, the SD card's looking a little low too.
Hey.
Watch this. Oh, we got like, oh, I shut them off. Turn them on. We got our fog lights. We got our high beam light. And we got the other fog light. And she feels powerful. She looks, honestly, I think she looks a tad bit better.
What do you mean?
She looks meaner.
She
You should put some racing headlights on it too. Okay, next order of business. Stickers, and putting some coolant in there. This is pre-mixed, right? Oh yeah, very nice.
Pre-diluted 50-50. I don't know what that means. No, I know.
I mean it's 50-50 water and coolant.
Between water and coolant. Yeah.
We got America. We got 3 of these. We'll probably only put 1, maybe 2 on somewhere. Put one of them up in this corner. Can't mess this up. Uh-oh. May mess it up. Oh yeah. And this one actually has the tool for that.
Oh, look at that, boys.
Now, we got, everybody here likes, well, don't know about Jack. Everybody here likes Monster Energy, alright?
I do.
Monster Energy is goodness.
Is that the only one you got?
What?
Monsters?
Yeah.
Oh, well.
I don't know how this works.
Oh, yeah. So you peel it off on that, and then you're pretty sure you just put the entire clear thing to it, and then the clear thing will pull off. Spatula.
Oh, no,
That is the ugliest. That thing should pull off, right, and leave the letters, eh?
Yeah.
The window moved.
In theory.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
That was satisfying. Now it's cricket.
It looks better. Spatula. Spatula.
It's like professional guys.
Yeah, we're not professional sticker guys.
I am.
All right.
Imagine putting a wrap on a truck that looks like this.
Dude, putting a wrap on a truck must be a nightmare. Trying to be perfect.
You can't even see it very well. It's too black. No.
Hey, it'll look better in the light.
Now we got another black tip thing. Black tip fishing. It's a great channel.
Yes. Go check him out, please.
He's taking the fin. Is he gonna put it on correctly?
See if I can put it on correctly. I have no idea.
Oh, you hit the camera.
Oh, Mio, it goes on like something like that, eh?
Something like that.
Something like that. All right, give me the
Spatula. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Oh yeah, that actually looks very nice.
Pretty decent.
No.
Yeah.
I don't think Tucker could work for us.
Here, I need a spatula.
It's right there.
I don't think Tucker could work for a wrap place.
I don't think any of us could.
Probably not.
That peel was actually pretty good.
How beautiful it is.
Good sticker there, bud. Off and putting on stickers.
Look at that, guys.
I'm not going to show it very long. You guys can read it if you want to.
Pause the video if you want to read it. It's great, though. If
Oh, yeah.
anybody has to follow these rules that comes in my truck.
I will not go in this truck.
You won't even fit in that.
Yeah, dude, I literally tried getting in the driver's seat and I could barely fit my knees under the steering wheel. It was so bad.
We've already made memories in the house, so you know.
Yeah. You want to tell that story, Tucker?
We got stuck, and it wouldn't get out, so we threw them under the back tires and used them as traction, and it got us right out. It worked great. There we go.
There we go.
That looks great. That was like the best one I've put on so far. It was the last one. That's great, isn't it?
That's awesome. Don't forget your $7 over there, by the way.
Hey, don't. Why did you?
Tucker, I caught that in the camera. We have video evidence.
What? This is my $7.
Oh yeah, bud.
Oh yeah, don't you know? You betcha, yeah.
The eye is crooked. I don't know if it's supposed to be crooked. I don't think it's supposed to be crooked.
It'll be fine. Here we go.
Stop messing with my wallet.
You can kind of see it in the glare there of the glass.
Black Tip H, the Black Tip H Shark, Monster Energy, American flag. Where's the other American flags?
Did we put one on the bumper? Oh, here's a sticker on the gas tank.
Sup, boys? Guess what?
I don't know. I think it's missing something.
It is definitely missing something. You missed.
Completely misses. There we go.
America! Patriotic! Dun, 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 dun. Imagine you're blowing in the wind.
Stop touching it. People might get mad at us.
Cut to clip of it blowing in the wind.
Come back to us now.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's not crazy sturdy, but she'll stay.
She will fly. Look at that.
Betsy Ross would be proud.
Of the Ford Ranger.
Yeah. The Danger Ranger.
So guys, we fixed the reverse light and turn signal on this side that was broken. But see, look what happened to the exhaust. So, the old, I need a headlamp real quick. The old owner, this part right here, is supposed to be way up there. And so this is supposed to go all the way to the end, like that one does. But it fell down, so the guy just cut it off. And then it was being held up by just this wire. And I just pulled this out and it broke. And the seal between the muffler and the rest of the pipe wasn't even that good. So now we're gonna see what it sounds like straight out of the muffler.
You're pulling the muffler off completely?
Yeah,
We're gonna see what happens when we put that exhaust back onto here.
Oh gosh.
So guys, we're pulling the muffler. Ringo, here, put this on. Put this on, Ringo.
Wait, but how are you gonna get that extended all the way?
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
Okay. So,
Okay, so
you see this? Hold on.
I don't know if you can see like anything yet. So we're taking the muffler out pretty much. And we're just gonna put so we took this out the back and we're gonna be taking the entire muffler off and then just reattaching this back on so it's pretty much straight piped and see if it's any better because it is like too quiet. It's so dark.
Let's start with the bolt.
I broke it.
So, yeah. Wrangle did that to the bolt. As you can
Doesn't
see, sheared right off. Where's the other end?
It's on a vice grip somewhere. Hold on. We got a mess of tools.
No, it fell off the vice grip.
Oh, well, you know.
Kicked under somewhere. There it is.
So
Here's the other side. So this was supposed to be like...
But look at the end. Do you think that was coming off?
No. You literally have a piece of sheet metal. What is that from?
I don't know. Why don't you ask the guy who owned this before?
I am so bewildered.
So now
It took us like way too long.
she's straight piped.
Straight under the cap.
She is-
So whenever you come to a stoplight, they're gonna get carbon monoxide poisoning.
Which is why we're gonna put the muffler back on. But I mean not.
Yo!
Give her some beans.
What? It doesn't even sound like rattling. That sounds mint.
It's not even that loud. Like it doesn't.
No, hold on.
It's plenty loud enough. Like that's
No, come over here. Come over here and let Jack start it and rev it. Like it's not like.
Oh, that sounds so
probably be quieter, which is what you want.
Yeah,
no. See my smoking guns?
My smoking guns. Okay, so what we're doing, as you can see, that's a muffler. Well, sort of. Yeah, we're gonna take this piece here, cut it off there, and we're gonna take this piece here, cut it off there, and then weld the two pieces together and make it pretty much the same length as the muffler, and then clamp it onto the other muffler, and we're gonna make a straight pipe.
It's, yeah, just a muffler delete, like. Guys, this is our muffler replacement. That is a beautiful muffler. Oh, guys, it's like crap. Yeah, it's 10:30.
We spent way too long on this, but it was fun. Let's see how it sounds. Tucker, get in here.
So,
You know what? You own this. I'm gonna let you.
yeah, we got it like wired up right there. We got, so this is where the muffler used to be. It's just straight pipe now. We got everything wired up. It'll sound amazing. It should sound a tad bit quieter than it did before, but this should sound beautiful.
Give it beans.
We have created a menace.
Oh, it's windy. Ew.
Oh my God! Holy crap! Turn on your normal headlights. That's angled high enough, don't you think? Oh yeah.
Plenty high.
Do some donuts! Yes! Oh my gosh, it looks amazing with the flag!
Calm it down.
Oh, it sounds insane!
Let's not wake up all a toke.
Shark.